Chiron, enable Visual Builder and add a new module. Am I audible, Chiron?
Yes, ma'am.
Click on enable Visual Builder. Add a module. So, what was the last module?
It was contact form.
Okay. Next to this, we have countdown timer. Click on that countdown timer. So what is countdown timer? So it is like just you can see it in the middle of the screen. Your title goes here and the days 29 days, 23 hours, 58 minutes to go. For you would have seen in this Amazon and Flipkart app,
Yes.
that is website. So you will see
Hmm.
this countdown timer for Big Billion Days or Great Indian Festival. So
Hmm.
when it is fixed on one particular day, they will start this countdown timer 15 days or 1 month ago. So just like this, if
Hmm.
you have any offer, Diwali sale, Christmas sale, or any other sale is going to happen, or any discount is going to happen, you can mention that as a heading and make it as the countdown. Just like this. Try one
Okay.
announcing
One
any offer.
second. If I on Amazon and all. Okay. I shall put title over here.
Write the title of the offer.
Hmm. Diwali sale. What should I write?
Anything, Christmas sale or Diwali sale. Okay. So this is how you will add the countdown timer. What is the next thing? What add a new module?
Divider.
Okay, divider. Click on the divider. It is a very easy one. What is divider is just a line. A line will be added between first and second section. So you want to differentiate the first and second thing.
First and second thing.
You can give this divider.
Between sections, right?
Yeah, between two section.
Okay.
Just the line that is divider.
Okay. Shall I click
Yeah,
or
yeah, tick mark it.
have to?
Tick mark it. Add a new module again. The next module what we have is Click on that module.
This is the line, right? Which has been created.
Yes.
Next is email option.
Okay. What is email opt-in is? So when people want to subscribe to your emails, so we will be learning email marketing. Okay, after this website designing, when you want people to that is opt-in means subscribe for your email, then you can use this email opt-in. People will give you their first name, last name, and they will subscribe to your email marketing messages. So on the left side, you
Okay.
have this title and description. You can give about your business. So you want such type of email marketing messages, they will subscribe to your emails. Clear?
Sorry, ma'am. What did you say?
Email marketing. You know what is email marketing, Shiron?
Email marketing. I got this email opt-in, but what is email marketing? I don't know.
What is email marketing? Is marketing through email. So people will be sending you lot of
Okay.
marketing emails. So
Got it.
there
Got it.
Amazon, if Amazon is giving any offer or any festival season offer or anything, they will be just mailing you with the attractive images and the call to action button. So that
Okay.
is email marketing. Marketing
Okay.
messages will be sent to you through email.
Okay.
So people can subscribe to that. So you want to know what is happening from Amazon, if they what is the offer they are providing. So if you want to keep in touch, you can subscribe to the email.
Hmm. Okay. Got
Okay.
it.
So just like how you
Hmm.
subscribe to your YouTube.
Hmm.
So you can create this email opt-in so people can log into this and they can get the email messages from your company, come from your business.
Okay.
This has to be created in your website. People will fill their name, first name, last name, and they will add their email ID and subscribe to your emails. That's it.
Okay. So, what should I write now here?
Subscribe to our email or newsletters. Button will be subscribe button and write some two or three lines about the body.
Subscribe to our email.
Yeah.
What should I write? Mm,
Any two or three lines about the email which they are going to receive. You will be receiving this site type of mail or something like that. You can generate using ChatGPT.
Done.
Okay. Add the next module, Shiram.
Filterable portfolio.
So what is filtered? Don't click on that. What is filtered portfolio is I told you what is portfolio. Like you, what all the works you have done. For example, we'll take a example of real estate business. So they would have worked on many multiple projects. So that can be added in this filtered portfolio. For now, we don't need it. Click on this gallery.
So what is exactly filterable portfolio?
So what
I
is
mean,
portfolio, Sharon? Generally, what is portfolio?
portfolio is like a profile
Profile showcasing all your works.
showcasing all your notes. Correct.
So similarly, you want to showcase all your works which you have done. This might be useful for real estate business
Okay.
or any digital marketing agency they would have worked on many websites or any other
Correct.
things they want to showcase, then they can use that filtered portfolio.
Okay. Done.
Hmm? So to move on to gallery. So what
Gallery.
is gallery? Gallery is a group of images.
Okay.
So you want to showcase all the products you have, you can use this gallery. Click on that gallery and add up to 5 images or 10 images from your gallery. That is from your uploads.
Hmm.
Yes. Select up to 5 or 10.
Image.
Image. Image is just a image, one image. Try to add one image.
Yes. It uploaded.
That's it. Add the next module.
Next. Login.
What is that?
Login.
Okay, what is login? Click on that. So login is nothing but the login to your scroll down. You have that on the bottom. So when user want to log into your e-commerce website, for example, when you want to log into your Amazon, what you will do?
I'll put ID password.
Your username and password. Similarly, when user want to direct to you want people to go to your e-commerce website, you need the username and password, correct? So for that, you can use this as a login. Okay, so people can add their username, password, and login. For this, how they will create the username and password? For this, we have a different plugin. We have to install that plugin. After that, only this will work.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Next module.
Now this normally it will not
No,
get
no. How
applied.
people can write their username? What is the password they need to enter?
Hmm. Okay.
Understood, right?
No, that last line you told no something. Normally this cannot be applied. I have to.
That's what. When user want to come to your e-commerce website, so how you will log
Hmm.
into your Flipkart or Amazon? You will have this. Need to add your username and password and click on login. Correct.
Yes.
Similarly, when people want to purchase a product from you, they need to log
Hmm.
in. So for that. they have to create a password. For usually for the first time, how do you sign up with Amazon? It will ask you for the first
Hmm.
name, last name, and password. After that, you have to rewrite the password. Then you the password will be created, and next time you can log in with that. Correct?
Yes.
Similarly, so this is for the first page of your e-commerce website. So how it works? It will work under a plugin. A
Hmm.
plugin has to be installed, and you have to do some settings there. After that, people can log in from their username and password.
Okay. So for making this work, I have to plug in.
You have to
In
install
plugging, I
one
have to.
plugin.
Okay. To make this work, right?
Yes.
Okay. So to
We will
make
see
this
just
work,
what
I
is
have.
the, I'm just explaining what is the help of the modules. If you want that, I can explain you later with a plugin name.
Yeah. Practically, I wanted to know how to install that
Sure,
plugin and
sure.
all.
I will explain you, Sharon. Please make a note of it. I will explain you tomorrow or by Monday. Let me finish all the modules first.
Okay.
Add a
I've
new
made the
module.
note. Made the note. Okay.
After login, we have map. So what is map? Just the map or location of your business will be added here. But click on that. It is a paid one here in WordPress. For this, we have an alternative. We have displayed the map using the code. Do you remember that?
Which one?
So what is map? Map is the location of your business, correct?
Correct. Correct.
So here, if you want to upload the map, it is asking you for the new pin, which is a paid one here.
Okay.
So we don't want to use the premium one. For that, we have an alternative, that is coding. Through coding module, we have already added the map, the location of our website. Correct?
Yes. Correct. Correct. Correct.
So please ignore this. Okay, okay, okay. Paste it. Add the next module.
Menu.
Menu. Click on that. So what is usually menus? Primary menu, secondary menu. Yes. So can you see the primary menu is added on the bottom?
Yes.
So wherever you want to add your, so in many website you would have seen people would have added the primary menu at the bottom or in the between also. Why? To give the user navigation. They don't want to scroll up to the top to click on the next page. It will be easy for the user to click on the other pages from the bottom. So wherever you want to add, you can use this module.
I didn't get this. What is primary menu?
So
Okay, this one, right?
what is primary menu? Basically the home page, about us, everything.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got it. So it should be up here only so that it is easy for the user.
Yeah, you want to give it at the bottom, you can give it. It is optional.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Tick mark it. Similarly, we have secondary
What if
menu,
I?
footer menu.
Okay. Okay. No. What if I click secondary menu?
The secondary menu will be added. Scroll up and check, Chiron. No, 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 no. Where are you uploading it? Below this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, add it
Your
now. ಮೂಕಂಡ್ scene.
is this the one?
Yeah, that is your secondary menu. Email us, call us, YouTube.
Okay, okay. Okay, got it.
Okay, perfect. Add the next module.
But ma'am, why I have to put it here when it is already there
Yeah, it
upside?
is at the top, Sharon. Many people, what they do is, so you can check many website. They will also give this primary menu or secondary menu at the bottom. Why? They
Okay,
don't want to scroll up. Just scroll down to the bottom. You will
okay,
not be able to see the primary menu.
okay,
So for that, they will be it will be easy for them to click on the any of the pages in between or at the bottom. They don't we need to come to the top again.
okay. Got it.
Hmm? Okay. Now, next is number counter. So, you know what is circle counter. So, inside the circle, we have added 99 percentage satisfied customer or 100% satisfied customer. Without circle, we have this number counter. Click on that number counter. See?
Okay.
Similar to that, but
Got
without a circle.
okay.
Hmm? Add something there.
Number counter without circle. Counting percentage. Hmm. Title should be
Delete the title and add something there.
um,
100% quality products.
customer review or quality product.
Quality product or 100% quality assured, something like that, to build a trust factor.
Hmm.
Next module, person. Click on that person. So in many website you would have seen this person, that is like the nowadays people are inserting their employees name and their details in the website. Have you ever seen that?
Hmm.
For
I
example, in
haven't.
Inspire website, they will be adding the name as Kavita Victor. In position is digital marketing trainer, and my Facebook profile URL, Twitter URL, everything they will be adding it.
Okay.
In many business website, they are adding it. The CEO, project manager, whatever it is. So similar to that, if you want to add your employees details here or the CEO, manager, whatever the thing you want to add, you can use this person module. Give the name,
Oh,
change your add your name, your position in this company, and your Facebook URL and all the details what they're asking for, even the image you can add. No, just delete that position and type whatever you want. Everywhere Yashika.
no, it's Yash, not Yashika.
Yash means,
My husband's name.
oh really? So
Yes.
many times I have seen this Yash. I thought for Yashika you're typing Yash.
No,
Sorry.
no, no. It's my husband's name,
Sorry,
Yash.
sorry, sorry.
So, no, no, it's okay.
So you can even write two lines about him: enthusiastic, energetic person, or whatever, a two line about.
Okay, done.
So similarly, you can add the, you know how to add the image, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Add the next module.
Oh, I'm not able to click here. Maybe
Which one?
your right image.
Yes. Yes.
Got it.
Add the next module.
Image is done. Sorry. Person is done. Portfolio.
That is also not required. Just portfolio means the work you have done. Post navigation is also not needed. Post slider, just move on to post slider.
Okay.
Next to that, you have post slider. Yes. What is post in WordPress? It is your blog, right?
Yes.
Scroll down, you have the post slider. Tick mark it. What is slider? People can slide it one by one. Tick mark it on. Yes. So they will find the arrow, right arrow. How many blogs you have published, Sharon?
Or one, I give.
Only one. Okay, if you're publishing two or three, more than three, you will get right arrow. So you people can
Okay.
slide it just like this and see
Okay.
the
Got it.
headline and the description. And when they click on read more, they will be directed to that blog. That is post slider. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Next module, post title. We have post. Just the title of the blog will be displayed. Tick mark it. You have that post, home by Mahalakshmi, on the bottom. So that's it.
Hmm.
This is also not required.
Title of title of blog, right?
Yeah, this may
Hmm.
not be useful for you. We will move on to the next thing. Pricing table. It is an important thing. Click on pricing table. Okay, what is pricing table? So have you ever seen this? Okay, you would have seen this Hostinger. In that we saw the single hosting. What is the price of single hosting? What is the price
Correct.
of
Correct.
the correct?
Got it.
Can you open that Hostinger so that it will be easy for me to explain? Can you find the hosting service drop down or web hosting? Correct. Scroll down. So this is pricing table. Okay. So single, premium,
Okay.
business, cloud startup, and one liner about the same. A great solution for the beginner. That is the headline. And below we have the price per month. MO means month. So you can mention per piece. For example, if you are want to showcase the price of a mop, so the price of the mop is, for example, 500 per piece. So that has to be added there.
Okay.
And but call to action button here is choose plan. You can add it as shop now. Okay. Below that they have added the feature of that plan. So create one website and what is the space, everything. So similarly, you can write the feature of your product. So go back to your website, add three column and add three product pricing table. Meanwhile,
Okay.
Gagan can share your screen and work on this. Click on the setting icon, first setting icon. Yes. 3 is added now. Go back. Start working from the first one. First setting. So listen first. Title, subtitle is like the one liner. Scroll down. Currency is
Oh,
in dollar. You can change it to Indian rupees.
okay.
Frequency is per piece. INR. Button shop now. Frequency is per piece. Piece. Don't click on that. Just type it.
For button, what should I write?
Button shop now.
Shop now.
Gagan, share your screen. Okay. Add the new module.
Ma'am,
And features you
how
have
to
not
change
added.
this color?
What happened?
Which features?
1 minute. I guess it is Gagan screen.
Yes, ma'am. Mine is addressed right, so there won't be any features required. Right? So I didn't add it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Sharon, add a new module.
Ma'am, I wanted to know. Okay, got it.
Tell me,
Color. I
you want to
wanted to
change
know.
the color.
Yes.
You have the option there. Table header background below that.
Got
Yes.
Only these many options are available, ma'am.
Um, Click on the three dots on the bottom, bottom.
Table header, background
Left
color,
side
right?
you have that color. Left.
Uh,
Below that you have three dots. Title text color ಇದೆಯಾ?
hmm?
Can you find title text color?
Yes.
Below that. Yes, below that you have three line dot. Click on that.
Okay.
Scroll down. Only this much options are there.
This is title text color. Okay. Table header, background.
You want multiple colors.
Yes. For table header, background. Okay, ma'am. Done. This is done.
Then add a new module. Give me a minute, Shivam. Hello. Shiram, add a new module.
Yes, ma'am. I think Gagan has left the meeting.
Might be. Yeah, he left. Search. Click on that search. A search bar will be added. So this you can use it in your e-commerce website at that at the top. So in the
Okay.
beginning, the search bar will be there. People can search for the product from the search bar, just like Amazon.
Just like Amazon. Okay.
Yes.
Got it. Placeholder.
That's what the
Search,
bar.
search for products.
Anything you want to give? Yes. Mm, add a new module.
Sorry.
So shop also, it's click on the shop. So we have not started with e-commerce, right? So after
No.
adding the e-commerce product, you will be able to see the shop related products here. What all the product you have added in your shop page will be displayed here.
Okay. Whatever products I add.
In your shop page, that is e-commerce website.
Okay. Sure. Products. Will be shown here.
Shiron, what happened?
I'm waiting for you.
Done, right?
Yeah, you were explaining.
Yeah, that's
Sure.
what. Shop pages, when you
Okay.
design a shop page, all the product from your shop page will be displayed here.
Okay. Shall I tick mark this then?
Yes. So we'll stop
Okay.
here, Shiron. We will
Okay.
complete all the modules tomorrow, all other modules. So
Okay,
go through
ma'am.
this, practice all the modules. If you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow.
Practice all the modules. Okay. Anything else that I shall do with my website for practice?
So you can work on that person and scroll down. So listen, Shiron, we have completed till shop module. You know all the modules like how to add the images, how to add the text box, how to add the
Correct.
galleries, everything you know. Now you can start
Yes.
designing your page one by one. You
Okay.
can design your about us page or contact us page. So you will get
Okay.
some
So,
ideas. Yes.
okay. This is completely. like the practice we have done.
Yes,
So I should keep it like this, or I should delete all this and then start here,
we are going
or
to
I should
delete
do
all
it in
this and we are going to build a new website.
I have to delete all this, right? The
Yes,
practice things.
yes.
Okay. I'll refer one or two websites of my competitors and I'll start working accordingly. If I stuck anywhere, if I get stuck anywhere, I'll just
Sure, sure.
ask you.
Sure, Sharon then. Hmm?
Okay, done.
Okay, then bye. Take care.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.